Welcome to a Tech. If you want to transfer WhatsApp chat from old phone to new phone, watch complete video. So I'll be showing you how to transfer your WhatsApp chat from your old Android phone to that new Android phone. The first thing you want to do is go to your new Android phone, go to the Play Store, and install WhatsApp. Once that's done, go to your old Android phone, launch WhatsApp, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and select Settings. On the main settings page, go to Chats and scroll down to the bottom of the chat settings page. Tap on Transfer Chats. It will show the option to transfer chat history to another Android phone. Tap on Start. It will ask for access to nearby Wi-Fi devices, so tap on Continue and allow WhatsApp to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Go ahead and allow that. Now, it will tell you to download WhatsApp on your new phone, register with the same phone number, and then use the old phone to scan the QR code shown on your new phone. Since we've already downloaded WhatsApp, let's go ahead and install it. If you liked the video, hit like button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.